Hello, sir. It's it's Friday here on this channel, and you know what that means. It means I make a video. That's what that means. I'd just like to share with you. I've been watching some Daily Grace videos, and at one point she has a video entitled "The Fart Challenge" with the Holy Trinity, and they have a fart sound board. Um, uh, and so I decided to go and find this, and I wanted to share a few of my favorite ones. Um, here we have Oprah Winfrey. I don't know why that's Oprah. Here we have uh, donut cream filler. Okay. Monica, you is stinky. we have Sayo Moblo. or how about Bug Zap. So yeah, I miss you. I miss being in your general vicinity. Maybe tomorrow legal work, cause I got on last night, so that worked eventually. But so many problems with league right now. Anyways, I'll see you later. I have a 3-day weekend, so whoop whoop. See you later.